Hey everybody, how you doing today? Have an old green horn, not sure what it's off of, car, truck, boat, tractor. I believe it's 6 volt, but I was told it's fine to run them off 12 too, it'll just be louder. You have one positive wire, and I hooked up a ground temporarily, right there to that screw. That's the white wire. That should be your mounting bracket holes. I believe they're threaded. My eyes are pretty bad, hopefully you can see that. I got a little 12 volt battery here for you to hear it. I'll give you a listen real quick. There she works. Like I said, I believe it's 6 volt. Maybe a look at the other side here. Sorry, my lighting's not too great. Let me get this out of the way since you heard it. I'll show you the inside. Be right back. I got a little bit of rust on the inside, but you heard it, still works. There's your positive connection. I guess you could put a ground there if you needed to. And let's see if I can get a better look at these holes here to see if they're actually threaded. Might not be. Either way, that would be your mounting spots there. So, there's a look in the front. A nice little mesh cover on it. Alright, so that's it folks. Old green, either 6 or 12 volt horn. If you get it, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See y'all.